guys, so here's what you're gonna need to make this most amazing, delicious fruit salad. Super easy. Grab some of your favorite fresh fruit. I've got half a cup of strawberries, half a cup of blueberries, and then I just showed you how I cut up some fresh mango. And so I have one whole mango. Now the key to this fruit salad is to let it sit for a couple hours before you eat it, because the juices of this mango is going to make it so sweet. And to kick it up a notch, we're going to add 2 drops of Young Living Vitality Lemon Essential Oil. Now this is just going to take it another level. Now don't just use any essential oil. I wouldn't trust any other brand to be taking internally. Only Young Living is the best for our family, so make sure you do your research. Young Living has a whole seed to seal process. You can look it up online. You can message me. I can tell you more information about it, but it is amazing in your food and drink. So we are just going to put, I think I'm going to do the mangoes first because I have more of them. But the mango and the lemon vitality is the key here. And then I would add in grapes or pineapples or whatever it is your favorite fruit. I am just really into berries right now. Look how yummy that is. And it doesn't even need any sugar because the mango is going to add that sweetness. And then the lemon vitality is just going to kick it up a notch. So I'm gonna add a couple drops of that. Okay guys, ready for a final taste test? I've got a bite of everything: mango, strawberry, and blueberry. So good. So good. It's gonna be even better when I let it sit in the fridge for a little bit longer. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comments down below. What fruit would you add, or what Young Living Vitality Oil should we try next in our fruit salad? I'm thinking tangerine. Let me know. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I post here twice a week on our vlog channel twice a week. And I'll see you later. Bye.